Hello?
Hello po.
Hi.
Hi, Papa Jack.
Good morning.
Good evening po.
Good evening. Good evening. You are not in the Philippines.
Hindi. Nasa Netherlands po.
Oh, the Netherlands.
Yes po, 20 minutes away from Duterte.
Ah. Yun lang. What's your name?
Ruby po.
Ruby. All right. Ruby is a red stone, tama di ba?
Sorry po?
Ruby is a red stone.
Yeah, that's right.
May duda ka ba? Mali ba ako? Mali ba ako?
Tama po. Red po yun.
Tama, ang amethyst ay parang purple. Di ba? Violet purple.
Opo.
Ang jade ay green. Tama, no?
I think so.
Yan. Jade is the favorite stone of Confucius.
Of what?
Confucius. Absent ka sa social study na nag-aaral high school? Si Kating, no? Kating, ayan.
Hindi po ako nagkakati.
Ay, sorry. Ay, nako.
Finally, natawagan mo na ako, Papa Jack.
I think you've been scheduled since last week, no?
Opo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
By
I
the way,
think this is the right.
oh,
I
thank
think
you.
this is the right timing po.
Alright. Sige. Ito kasi si MJ Wolf nakaka-bad trip eh. Kaya yan, nag-caller na lang tuloy ako para may masmasan ako sa kanya. Pakabait ka na dyan, MJ Wolf. Anyways, ilan taon ka na?
30 po.
30. Okay.
Opo.
You are calling from Netherlands.
Yes po.
Okay. What do you do?
Manager po sa restaurant.
Okay. Manager sa restaurant.
Opo. Yeah. Okay. I have to be specific po sa Subway. Alam niyo po yun.
Alam mo, gusto ko mag-Subway. Kasi vegan ako. Ang problema ko,
Masarap.
my point is magkakatabi yung karne tiyago sa kagulay.
Yes, that's right.
So,
They
kumbaga,
should
if-
always ask
yan.
to change their gloves or...
Hindi yun eh. Kumbaga, pagka vegan ka, contaminated na yun eh. Unless I eat meat,
That's true.
pwede. Di ba?
That's true. Opo.
Gusto kasi, masarap yung ano eh. Nakikita ko minsan, parang ang sarap naman ng gulay nila. Ang fresh.
Sobrang sarap po ng veggie burger. ng veggie burger sa amin.
Wala eh. Ako sa inyo. Sana nakahiwalay, no?
Nakahiwalay naman po. Yun nga lang, contaminated na talaga yung mga gulay kasi syempre naghawak na ng pork, ng chicken. So,
Wala na. Anyways, how long have you been in Netherlands?
almost 6 years na po.
6 years. Yan ang unang abroad mo?
Nag-Japan po ako before I came to the Netherlands. Kasi doon ko po nakilala yung ex-husband ko.
Okay. Huwag kang bumulong.
Di mo ba ako marinig, Papa Jack?
Hindi, pabulong ka na pabulong sa dulo eh.
Sorry po.
Sige. Alright.
So,
May anak ka na?
where do I? Wala po. May ayro lang akong aso dito. So, if ever tatahol siya, I'm sorry po.
That's okay. So you are living alone with dog?
Yes.
Alright.
Because my ex-man died.
I'm sorry?
My ex-husband died
When?
a month ago.
A month ago?
But we're divorced. We are divorced.
Okay.
And I am already in a relationship with someone from
Okay.
Switzerland.
So,
And-
gaano katagal na kayong hiwalay nung nag-pass yung asawa mo?
Hiwalay na po kami. We've been separated for 3 years na. And we got divorced like almost 2 years ago.
Okay.
But we still live in the same house before he died.
No way!
Yes po, kasi we're good friends and he always work in France. So he's 3 weeks away and then 1 week home. And when he's home, then I'm going on a trip or whatever. So,
Wait. In the same house? Like, same door?
Yes po. Kasi po, binili po namin itong bahay na to and, you know, in the Netherlands.
In the
like,
same
there's
room?
Short. No. We have 4 rooms and he basically sleep in the living room. But he already passed away.
Ano? So, dalawa lang kayo sa isang bahay?
Opo, kasama po yung aso.
Hindi, may jowa ka. Alam ng jowa mo yan?
Opo, alam po niya. And, yeah, alam po niya.
Did they know each other?
They never met because, yeah, we've been together for 2 months and then, yeah, suddenly he just died. My ex-husband died.
Okay. Ikaw nakakita na namatay siya?
No, actually po, I'm so lucky kasi I was in the Philippines then, having my vacation.
Oh.
And then he got a heart attack, but he is so lucky that he is with another woman then.
Okay. Nakikichismis lang naman ako, so sorry.
Okay lang po. Kasi diyan po nag-umpisa yung problem ko.
Okay. O, tuloy mo na. Kwentuhan mo kami.
Yung timeline ko kasi, I started dating after more than a year being single. You know? And then my plan is to move with my boyfriend.
Ma'am, huwag kang bumulang, ma'am.
Sorry po. So my plan is to move to Switzerland with my boyfriend. But then everything started changing when my ex-husband died, because then I need to arrange everything in the house, sell it together with this inheritor, which is not me kasi divorce na kami. So now, everything shifted with me and my...
Sorry, ma'am.
Like,
kinakain mo yung dulo ng sinasabi mo. Ano po ulit?
Ba, hindi ko po alam kung ano nangyayari. Baka po may tubig yung cellphone ko. So, that's where it started po. Siyempre, he was a big part of my life and I was down when he died.
I'm sorry. Say it again.
No.
No. There's nothing wrong with your phone. What you do is you speak loud on the, diba, within the first 3-4 words, and then you murmur in the end.
Siguro dahil masakit ata lalamunan ko.
Ganito mo kausap mo. Ganito mo kausap mo. Papa Jackson, ang ulam ko kahapon ay panakbenta. Tsaka ano.
I'm sorry po. Sorry po. Okay, again. I will start again, Papa Jack.
Oh, yun na naman. Humina naman yung dulo. I'm sorry, Papa Jackson. Let me do it again, Papa Jack.
Sorry, Papa Jack.
Okay. Your problem started when your ex-husband died. Divorced na kayo.
Yeah.
So you had to, you'll be the one on top of, yung mga papeles and whatnot.
To settle things.
Yes. Okay. What's the problem with it?
The problem is, now long distance relationship kami ng boyfriend ko.
Okay.
And I know for myself that I have trust issues.
Long distance kayo ng jowa mo. Di ba LDR naman kayo ever since?
Yes po. Pero ngayon parang mas mahirap eh.
Bakit?
Because in a way na I'm so down kasi I need to settle everything all by myself here in the Netherlands.
Mm-hmm.
And sumasabay pa yung trust issues ko sa kanya.
Ano bang ginawa niya? Ba't may trust issues ka?
Yun nga po, hindi ko nga po alam may Papa Jack. Kasi...
Ikaw ang may gana magkaroon ng trust issues? Ikaw yung kasama yung ex mo sa isang bahay?
Pero Papa Jack, alam naman niya eh.
It doesn't matter. I mean... Sorry but I'm reminding you. Ano mo na ginawa ng jowa mo?
Kahapon po kasi nasa libing kami. Andun ako sa bansa niya.
Wait lang po. Kahapon nasa libing ka.
Opo.
You
Nasa
you were in
Switzerland
Switzerland
ako
kahapon.
Opo.
Malayo ba yan
And
sa'yo? Kasi baka mamaisip.
1.5 hour flight.
Malapit lang pala, ano?
Yes po, pero, opo.
Okay. Sino naman nilibing kahapon?
Yung lolo niya.
Ang dami namatay. Ano? Okay.
Matanda na po.
Hindi, kasi there are two deaths already sa kwento mo.
Yes po.
Okay.
Kaya
So,
nga po, parang hirap kasi on my side, down na ako. On his side, down din siya. Parang
Okay.
naghihilaan kami. Naghihilaan kami dalawa.
anong kinakapraning mo?
Papa Jack, may right ba ako magalit kung nandun yung dati niyang kinakasama?
What right do you have? You lived with your ex-husband in the same room. Going inside, di ba? Ano ka ba? Yung libing yun, ikaw umuwi ka sa isang bahay eh.
Pero hiwalay na po kami, matagal na.
Hiwalay
Ano
din, hiwalay din naman sila, di ba?
Opo.
Anong point mo?
Kung may karapatan ba ako magselos?
Kung wala kang ginawang ganun, may karapatan ka.
Wala naman po akong ginagawa dati.
Siya ba may ginawa? Libing. Umatend yung ex niya. Ikaw, you went, okay, let
No, but Papa Jack, ganito po kasi nangyari. Sinabi niya sa akin na wala na silang kontak. And during, nandun kami sa libing, nag-uusap silang dalawa. Parang, nandiyan ako ng ganitong oras, nasan ka, parang ganun.
They are coordinating, maybe.
Pero ang sabi niya po sa akin, hindi siya yung naggaya dun sa sa ex niya. Sabi niya wala na silang contact.
Okay. So ang kasalanan ng jowa mo sa'yo is that he was not forthcoming sa iyo doon sa idea that the ex asked him to be there.
Not only that.
Ano pa?
Madami pa akong nakitang
ano po yun, ma'am?
sign.
Like what?
Na meron pa rin sila. I just cannot prove it.
Well, don't tell me if you cannot prove it. Because it's an assumption.
That's also true, Papa.
Yeah. I mean, we cannot discuss things that you've pulled out of thin air.
Pero iba kasi yung tingin ko. Kahapon, iba yung tingin.
Ano yung tingin ba na hindi dapat? At dapat?
Andun ako katabi niya, Papa. Andun ako katabi niya. Sinusuportahan ko siya kahit na lumipad ako papunta sa kanya.
Oh my God! Namatayan siya ng kamag-anak
I know, namatayan din po ako, Papa Jack.
ng ex that you claim you don't love anymore.
Exactly, but he was the biggest part of my life.
Yeah, but see?
He was my
Kung
friend.
meron sa inyong dalawa ang dapat mapraning, hindi dapat ikaw, dapat yung jowa mo.
Because I never gave him a reason to not trust.
Or maybe he just did his part and trusted you.
Maybe I have trust issues.
That's your problem.
I have.
Problema mo yan. Hindi problema ng ibang tao yan.
How am I gonna fix it, Papa?
Well, stop assuming things.
How could I trust if my trust has been broken?
No. It has nothing to do with your boyfriend. Libing ng lolo niya kahapon and you want it to be about you?
No, it's not about me.
Let me say it again. Libing ng lolo niya kahapon and you want it to be about you?
Not at all.
The ex was there because namatay yung lolo na maybe kilala niyo na sila pa. Attended the funeral service. The ex attended a funeral service.
But it doesn't felt right.
What?
It doesn't felt right. I told him I will not go anymore because he doesn't need me. She was there. She doesn't need me. Her family was there.
You did that yesterday?
Hmm?
You did that yesterday?
It was yesterday.
You did that? You told him that yesterday?
What? No. Before I fly.
Kaya nga, pagkalibing ng lolo niya, you said that?
Hindi po. Sabi ko sa kanya yun bago ako umalis. Bago
Kaya
pa
nga.
ako nag-book ng ticket.
Okay. Living, may namatay ganyan. Oh my God. Alam mo ganito, Ruby, okay ito eh. Walang problema dito eh. Kung hindi ka nakipag-live-in sa ex mo eh. Panalo ka dito eh kung wala kang ginawang ganun eh. I mean, if you can claim that you have self-control living, di ba, and going home to the same house with your ex, he cannot claim that for himself? Special ka?
I'm not special. Ayun.
Ikaw ngayon, nag-iiyak ka nga. I'm not trying to undermine that your ex died. Hindi yun ang point ko. But here you are telling me categorically na, but he was the biggest part of my life. Huh? Pag sa'yo ginawa yan, baka magpatikalkal ka.
He was.
I mean, that's my point.
But I mean, he was still my friend.
Yeah, but you lived
I love
to... Oh my God. You are so self-serving.
No, not at all.
Oh, not
I'm
at all.
selfless.
You are selfless? Oh, you've got to be kidding me now, girl. Teka nga, baka mali ako dito. Wait lang. I could be wrong here, Ruby. Let's do this again. You were married, and after you divorced your husband, in the last 2 years of his life, you are in the same house. Kayong dalawa lang.
Yes po.
You can tell me all you want that he slept in the couch or whatnot, wala kaming kahit anong relasyon. But you're...
Because we don't.
Yes. And you have your words to back it up. And that applies to you and not to your boyfriend. So you are trustworthy. Pag sinabi mo, okay na yun. Pag sa kanya, may problema ka. I mean, really? Naloka ako sa'yo bigla, ha?
Alam ko naman po sa sarili ko na wala akong ginagawa. Otherwise, I would not open up that I'm still living with my deceased ex.
That does not back up any claim that you make. But your boyfriend chose to believe you.
Because I'm already willing to move to him.
Oh my God, you're so self-righteous.
No.
Oh my God. Nagugulat lang ako, no? You did what you did habang may patay sa pamilya nila? How insensitive can you get?
Maybe I am so insensitive.
Pakilakas, kailangan marinig namin yung part na yan. Ano yan?
Maybe I am so insensitive.
You are.
Yes, maybe.
I mean, special ka sa sarili mong rules?
No.
You are.
No.
Let's
kasi
go.
Papa Jack,
Let's
kahapon, kahit
no. You're not going through this.
I'm not trying to defend myself.
You are.
I wanted to... Gusto ko pa magstay pa doon sa libing. Pero siya yung nag-insist na umalis na kami.
Kasi nga, you're ruining it.
No.
Diba? It's their time na magdalamhati sa namatay. And here you are observing an ex who attended a funeral. Okay, let's do this categorical.
Mhm.
Namatay lolo niya. Umattend yung ex niya. Inappropriate? Maybe.
It is. In my point of view, it is. Kasi ako na yung kasama eh.
Eh bakit pala ex mo kalibin mo ng 2 taon kung may jowa ka naman?
Bago pa lang po kami nito.
It doesn't matter. Hindi ba dapat nung pumapasok ka sa panibagong relasyon, wala ka na sa piling ng ex mo?
Iba po kasi sa Netherlands at saka sa Pinas.
Oh, now especially, oh my God. So now special ka sa part na yun?
No. In a way
No.
Mayroon, mahirap po kasi kumuha ng bahay.
My
and
point is,
ayaw din po.
alam mo, Ruby, if a certain understanding would be extended to you because kino-consider yung circumstances mo, eh di dapat siya rin kasi namatayan siya. Hala siya. This is so self-serving.
Siguro nga po.
Hindi mo lang pinalampas yung ira ng ng lamay. Inartihan mo kagad yung jowa mo.
No. Hindi ko po siya hinatihan. Kahit po masakit sa akin na nandun yun.
Di ba nga may sinabi ka even before flying to Switzerland?
Mm.
So to begin with, meron ng bit-bit na mabigat na bagahe on top of the fact na patay yung lolo niya. Kahit ako pa uuwiin kita eh.
Di na nga po sana ako umalis. Di na nga sana ako nagpunta.
Hindi outing yun, namatay yung lolo, te.
I know.
And you made it about you. What happened to you, Ruby?
I'm too broken. Kasi hindi ko na po alam kung paano ko pa i-handle lahat ng problema ko dito.
What's your problem? Maybe I can help you.
Ala.
Like what? Tell me a problem that's potentially linked to your attitude towards your boyfriend during the wake of his grandfather. Maybe I'll understand you.
Because, kasi, mawawala na itong bahay ko. Kailangan ko ibenta. And kailangan ko na din ipamigay yung aso ko. So, mawawala na sa akin lahat.
Why would you need to give away your dog?
And, because, kasi hindi ko na kaya. Yun nga po yung mahirap dito sa Netherlands. Yung mahirap makakuha ng bahay.
Okay, let's break the... I have not been to Netherlands, but let's break that. You have to sell the house. That's what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
Why would you do that?
Kasi hindi ko na kayang bayaran. And yung kalahati nito, part dun sa mapupunta sa heirs ng ex-husband ko,
Okay.
which is his
All right.
parents.
Okay.
And
So you're getting some money from the sale of the house, right?
yes,
So anong kinalaman niya sa dog mo?
kasi hindi ko siya kayang dalhin kung hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko siya kayang alagaan.
Why not?
I don't have the means. I don't have the time.
You're one person there. You're one person there. Don't tell me hindi mo kaya. I don't
I'm trying.
I don't accept that. I don't accept that. I'm sure Ruby, there maybe there are some adjustments here and there. That is true. Maybe there are some adjustments here and there. Sabi mo naman, nung magka-live-in pa kayo ng ex mo, di ba? Most of the time, he is not present in the house. Tama?
Tama po.
And you were able to maintain a dog. On your own.
Pero ngayon kasi, wala na siya. Kumbaga, hindi ko na kaya financially. Hindi ko na kaya physically kasi syempre kailangan ko mag-work para mabayaran yung mga kailangan bayaran. Hindi ko na kaya kasi mag-isa lang ako.
Ano ba yung mga kailangan bayaran mo if you're selling the house?
Sobrang dami po.
Like, maybe what? Do you have loans?
No, I'm happy I don't have.
So, what? Ano yung mababayaran mo?
Mga bills. And I also need to survive. And
yeah, but we all have bills.
And lawyer's fee, notary, everything. Everything legally.
I mean, okay, let me get the context here. Those one-time thing na babayaran mo about notary and lawyer enough to bankrupt you?
Yeah, actually, it will. Yeah.
It's enough to bankrupt you when you're getting something from the sale of the house?
It will take time para mabenta yung bahay. Until then, I'm totally empty.
Yeah, until then, you have a house.
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay, come on. Were you financially dependent sa ex mo?
No, not at all.
Pala
Not at all.
naman
But
you are used to making money for
kasi
yourself.
dati po, kalahati sa akin, kalahati sa kanya. Eh ngayon po, salo ko na lahat. Eh, di naman kaya ng sahod ko lahat. Lalo na may sinusuportahan din ako sa Pinas.
Come home to the Philippines.
Totoo po, gusto ko na umuwi ng
Come
Pinas.
home. Bring your dog home.
Kasi hindi ko na kaya mag-isa.
Uwi ka na dito. I mean, if it doesn't make sense to you to be there, Diba? Kaya ka naman na andyan to at least have a better, living. Come home. Look, ganito, Ana Rubiano. I just don't like to believe that what you're going through right now has anything to do with the attitude you showed your boyfriend during the wake of his grandfather.
Ang problema po kasi, ang dami ko ng problema, Papa Jack.
I know.
Ang dami na.
I get,
And then ayoko naman na dagdagan ko pa yung problema ko.
well, there you go. That's the operative term. Ikaw nang dadagdag ng problema mo. If some people, Ruby, like your boyfriend, can extend trust and confidence that you're honest to him in the entire course ng inyong 2 buwan na pagiging magjowa, nakasama mo yung ex mo sa isang bahay, you should at the very least extend the same favor sa kanya.
Sinusubukan ko naman po eh.
Do it. And don't make it so convenient for you na when you're being cornered na halimbawa sasabihin mo na kaya ganito kasi I'm going through a lot eh. It doesn't connect. Look, naawa ko sa'yo kung naawa ko sa'yo ate. Kung pwede kitang pahiramin ng pera, magkano ba kailangan mo?
No.
Okay, buti na lang. Buti na lang nag-no ka kasi gino-joke lang talaga kita. Wala akong papahiram sa'yo.
That's pala nag-guess ako.
Okay. Buti na lang, ha? Buti na lang. Now, my point here is, ganito actually hindi naman yung financial problema mo dito na uwi tayo doon because you're trying to justify your attitude during the week.
No.
No, yun
ano ko lang, Papa.
Yun yung direction na usapan natin. Ano po? Ano yun, ma'am?
Parang, ang hirap kasi, Papa Jack, na
Opo.
yung umintindi, abang ako hindi ko maintindihan yung sarili ko kung paano ako magiging okay ulit. I mean, magiging stable ulit.
Well, I get that. That I understand. But that couldn't be an excuse for an attitude.
I know.
And that's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. Huwag mo kalilimutan ha, ikaw nagsabi dito sa akin kanina na may mali po sa tinginan nila. Like, really?
Ano yung Papa Jack?
Di ba sabi mo, di ba, may mali sa tinginan nila? Ate naman, libing naman, te. You are in the wrong there. Being lonely, being sad, being hurt, being in pain, being down does not give you the license to showcase some bad attitude towards someone.
I know. And I was wrong on that part.
Have you said sorry?
I did.
Ano na?
I did sorry. I did say sorry so many times.
Ay, ano pang iniiyak mo ngayon? Ba't pinatawad ka hindi?
Nakipag-iwalay na po kasi ako.
Ba't ka nakipag-iwalay? Nag-sorry ka pala.
I mean, dapat yung flight ko, dapat bukas pa. Nakabalik na ako. Kahapon pa ng gabi.
Oh, so you walked out on him?
Yes.
You walked out on him while he was down grieving for with the loss of... Oh my God. What an attitude.
Yeah. And I say sorry.
What an attitude. Naku, Carby. Alam, yung ganyan ka, ilugar mo naman.
Hindi naman po ako gumawa ng eksena eh.
Kaya nga, but then again, you left. Dinagdagan mo yung iniisip ng tao. Kakalibing ng lolo. Ano ka ba naman? Ano ba? Hindi mo ilugar.
Hindi naman po kami nag-away doon.
Hindi yun ang point.
Mag-umalis naman ako ng
Hindi yun ang point. You gave him an emotional burden. Nakipag-break ka sa kanya and now, obviously, you regret what you've done. Kaya tayo magkausap ngayon. Two things. Number one, you regret what you did. Number two, you are too proud to go back to Switzerland. Pinoy ba yan? Pinoy?
Hindi po.
Pinapahiya mo. Ano mo, hindi tayo kilala sa ganyan. Mahabang pasensya natin sa lahat. Tapos ikaw pa nakipag-break. Ano yan?
Kasi marami na po kasi akong hinala sa kanya. Tungkol dun sa dati niyang karelasyon. So, parang dun ko na patunayan na. Meron talaga.
Ano napatunayan mo? Sorry, baka na-miss out ko. Alin dun?
Na nag-uusap pa din sila.
Okay, and that proves what?
Kasi sabi niya sa akin, wala na silang usap.
What conversation and what's the timeline of the conversation?
Hindi ko nga, yun nga po kahapon. So nag-chat sila sa harapan ko. And, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, pwede ko bang hiramin yung telepono mo? And I took it away from me. So, and hindi ko naman maintindihan kasi iba yung lingwahe nila sa lingwahe na alam ko dito sa Netherlands.
So the ex who attended the funeral saw you?
Yeah.
The ex knew na may girlfriend ng lalaki?
Mm.
So what's the problem? It's her attending a funeral.
Baka mali lang yung point of view ko.
Hindi ko sinasabi sa'yo na meron o wala, pero sakaling meron, hindi mo pwedeng ipagpa-next week na matay lolo?
Kaya nga po, umalis na lang ako Hindi naman po kami nag-away.
Yeah, but
Umalis
you made it worse. Yan naman, umiyak ka ngayon. Because you made it worse. Regrettably, you did not like what you, di ba? You don't like what you did. Tama, mali. And as a remedy...
Masama po ba na masaktan?
Alam mo, kung sa kalagitnaan ng isang rational na usapan, bigla kang sigit na masama bang masaktan without the context. That's just you being melodramatic.
No.
You are! Di ba?
That's your point of view, Papa Jack.
No. When you ask the question, after mapatunayan na may kasalanan ka at ina-admit mo, and then all of a sudden, out of the blue, you say, masama bang masaktan, you become the victim.
No.
Why did you call me?
Tutuloy ko pa ba?
Ang alin?
Yung dun sa jowa.
Di ba nakipag-break ka? Ano tuloy mo?
Ayaw pa niya kasi.
Hindi nga. Nakipag-break ka. Di ba? Ano tuloy mo? Even in asking the question, ang taas ng pride mo. That's not the right question.
What was the right question, Papa?
The right question is, manghihingi ba ako ng tawad?
I said sorry so many times.
You want my advice?
Yes.
Number one, you take it slow. You are Number one, you take it slow. You are self-destructing.
Yeah.
Huwag ka man umiyak. Wala ka maintindihan. You are self-destructing. Number two, stop saying that you cannot make it in Netherlands. You've been there for like, ang tagal mo na andyan, you cannot make it. Kaya mo yan. I will not accept any lesser than kaya ko yan. Kaya mo yan. Number three, this is very important.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready.
If your story is accurate, kung accurate yung kwento mo, you don't have an emotional problem. You have a financial problem. Ba't ganyan ka umiyak?
No. Not at all.
Ano na?
Hindi po. I have emotional problems.
What part of it?
Kasi parang
Anong part mo?
mawawala na sa akin yung lahat.
No, hindi mawawala sa'yo lahat. You're still in Netherlands. You're forgetting that part. You are still there. You are still there. Hindi mawawala sa'yo lahat. That's what you want to believe because, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung bakit pinapababa mo yung self-esteem mo sa part na yan. Manager ka dyan, di ba? At di ba, the worst that can happen is you're going to change your lifestyle. You have to give up some...
Hindi naman po ako maluho.
I mean, you have to give up some comforts. Maybe have a smaller place. Maybe rent out something. I don't know. But you can still make it. You're already there. Don't tell me hindi mo kaya. You came from Japan. You went to Netherlands. You've been far away from our homeland a long time ago na. Don't tell me you cannot make it.
Kinakaya.
Can you do yourself a favor?
Yes.
Stop casting doubts sa sarili mo. Totoo.
Napapagod na kasi ako, Papa Jack.
Saan? Wala akong masandalan. Yes.
Nandyan yung pamilya ko, pero iba pa rin talaga yung mag-isa ka.
I know. That I can agree with you. So anong kinalaman yan sa ginawa mo sa boyfriend mo? Yan ang problema ko ngayon. Yan ang problema ko sa'yo ngayon because it's convenient for you to make that as an excuse of your attitude.
No.
No. You are.
Hindi ko naman po ginagawang excuse. Nahihirapan na ako.
Yes, I know, Ruby. Nagigets kita sa part na yan.
Pero parang hindi ko kayang pagsabayin yung problema ko dito saka yung problema ko sa kanya na wala akong tiwala.
That's your own personal demons. Pala naman. Di wala na siya. Di ba nakipag-break ka na? Di na siya problema.
Pero
Look,
parang nagsisisi na ako.
well, ganito There's no part of our conversation that I'm going to agree with you na hindi mo to kaya. Okay? Walang part to. There's no part of this conversation I'm going to agree with you na hindi mo to kaya. That's number one. Kasi kung sasabihin ko lang sa'yo, nga hindi mo na kaya, huwag na tayo mag-show na to. Wala na akong point sa buhay niyo kung ganun. Number two, stop overinflating your own problem. Look at it as it is. Number three, when you're wrong, you're wrong. Apologize. Stop coming up with convenient... Excuse me, I'm talking, ma'am. When you're wrong, you're wrong. Stop coming up with excuses to justify what you did.
Alam ko po may ginawang kasalanan. Kaya nga po ako na yung lumayo.
See? There you go. That's a solution. Kasi
I think that's what's best for us.
Okay. That's a selfish solution. Because you're lying to yourself. Drama yan, te. Napirap mo sarili mo. Drama yan. Yung part na, I think that's what's best for us. Naiya ka lang kasi may ginawa ka. Attitude ka sa, di ba? Sana pinalipas mo naman. Matayin yung tao. Ano ka ba naman? Let me talk to you. Ready?
Yes.
I want you to listen carefully. Okay?
Opo.
All right. Ruby. This is so sure. You regret breaking up with your boyfriend.
Kasi mahal ko siya eh.
Sabi ko, listen eh. Ulitin ko. You regret breaking up with him. Yan ang malinaw dito. And the only reason why you cannot bring yourself to ask him back into your life kasi pride ka. Pride ka. Wala sa lugar. Pride ka. Wala sa lugar ang pride mo. Di ka ba nahiya? Pagkapag-break ka, kahit ayaw mo naman, papahabol ka, pero ikaw sinasabihan ka na niya na ayaw niya tapos nagagaganyan ka. So, iiyak ka ngayon? Ha? You have a problem. You practically have a problem. You have a situation. You practically have the solution right there staring at you. You won't afford it for yourself. Why? Kasi ma-pride ka. Ano ka ba? Kaya mo yan. Yung financial problem mo, kaya mo yan. Maitatawid mo yan.
Wala naman po siya ngayon.
Kanina lang, iniiyakan mo yan eh.
Hindi, kinakaya naman po. Kaya mahirap.
So ano yung kanina? Drama yon.
Mahirap ako.
Oh. Ba't ganun ka umiyak kanina?
Wala akong financial problem, Papa Jack. I don't have debts or anything.
Hindi nun point ko eh, di ba? When you said mawawala sa ang lahat, to me, it sounded like a financial problem.
No.
So ano yun?
Na yung bahay na to kasi. Parang ang hirap i-let go.
I-let go kasi bahay niyo ng ex mo. So ikaw, pwede ka...
Hindi po. No.
Yeah, but that's your house with your ex. I honor the memory of your ex. Para ikaw pwede ka mag-grieve of your ex and the ex of your boyfriend cannot attend a funeral habang nandun ka? I mean, come on, Ruby. Are you this unreasonable? Huh?
Siguro. Diyan ka po, Papa Jack.
Pasensya ka na. Ano. Ako, hingi ako ng patawad sa iyo because at some point I kind of feel that you called me because you wanted some level of comfort from me. I'm sorry if I cannot give that to you.
No, actually, kailangan ko po ito eh. Yung may magagalit sa akin kasi totoo po, mali yung ginawa ko kahapon.
O di ba pinipigilan ka niya? Tama?
Opo.
O ano pang tinadrama mo? Di ka makapagbalikan.
Huh?
I know that's what's good for us. Tigilan mo nga, kadramahan mo na.
Hindi, Papa Jack.
Ano ba?
Siguro hindi pa ako handa.
Okay. Well, at this point, I'll just wish you good luck.
Salamat.
Huwag kang magpasalamat sa wala akong natulong sa'yo. And yes, that was sarcastic. Just so you know.
I know.
Yeah. Totoo. Look, kaibigan mo ako. I'm not going to romanticize or sugarcoat anything. Di ba sa usapan natin? You are not helping yourself. You are not helping yourself. You're not.
Kung di ko kaya tulungan yung sarili ko, Papa Jack, dito.
Kami na lang, Mga tanong mo yan. Ano
Ang
yan?
hirap
Ano
talaga.
yan? Ano yan, Ruby? Ano yan? Ano yan? Do you realize you're asking a question that will not make sense to you?
Ano pang kailangan kong gawin, Papa Jack, para maging okay ulit?
Well, unang-una sa lahat, huwag kang magpaka-plastic sa sarili mo. Nag-iiyak ka dyan na wala kang boyfriend ngayon pero gusto mo siyang balikan tapos you are saying, no, I'm not yet ready. Ano ba yan? Diyos ko po. I think I've told you enough. Alam mo, ma'am, wala kami pwedeng gawin sa'yo kung ikaw ayaw mong gawin para sa sarili mo yan. Hindi ko alam, mura yata ang ang Pride sa Netherlands na mo nabili. You're self-sabotaging.
I think so.
See? There you go. Okay. Okay.
Siguro
Okay.
nga.
Okay. Ay, naku ka. After our conversation, take a bath and take it slow. Calm down a little bit and reflect. Babaw ka ng konting pride. Stop pushing away people from your life that you know you love. Hanggang umiyak. Kasalanan mo to.
Salamat po, Papa Jack.
Huwag ka mag-thank you sa akin. I don't accept that. Call me some other day and tell me that things are better. Kung you did not agree to anything I said, to anything at all. You did not agree. So don't give me that, that meaningless thank you.
No, I agree po.
Well, kung nag-agree ka nga pero wala nang pupuntahan to. If you really want if you really want for our conversation to make sense, call me some other time. When things are better. All right?
Yes.
One last assignment. Ready? Ready?
Yes.
After our conversation, go to your dog. And say sorry to him or to her. Say sorry to your dog for contemplating of giving him or her up. That's meaningless to your dog. Nakakabawas sa guilt mo yan. Narinig mo ako, ma'am?
Oh.
And then after saying sorry, you make a promise to your dog. Symbolic na lang to, baka makatulong lang. Promise ka sa kanya that the two of you will make it good. Promise?
Pangako.
Okay, good. Pero, pag sumagot, tumakbo ka kasi, naku, hindi na ka doon. Siyempre, hindi dapat sumagot yun, di ba? Opo! Pag gano'n, opo, mami! Pakpay ka yan. Pupunta ka 7-Eleven, tumambay ka muna doon, ha? Kita mo, tumatawa ka? Kaya mo tumawa eh. Si Arte ka kasi. Natawa ka, no? Diba? Ang galing kasi ni Papa Jackson, di ba? Hindi mo kaya. Anyways. I want to talk to you soon. When you've come to your senses. Pinipili mo na lang na hindi eh. So, reflect and please come to your senses. Kaya mo yan, ma'am. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. Don't let me down.
Everything will be fine.
There you go. There you go. There you go. See, that's a start.
Yeah.
Call your boyfriend. Tell him you miss him. Okay?
I will.
Tapos mag-selfie ka, padala mo sa kanya. Yung nakapouting lips ka, ha? I mean, come on, be normal. Tigil mo ng drama na yan. Ayusin mo na yan. Drama. Nakuha mo yung point ko. Ayusin mo na yan. Drama mo na yan eh. Gets?
Opo.
Dahil problema, nagdadag ka pa eh.
Tinatry ko mabawasan eh.
Padala ka ng picture ng ano mo. Ng mukha mo, ha? Ano ba inisip ng picture? Baboy naman utak na ito. Eh. Hoy, napa-contemplate. Sige, ha? Ba't tumatawa ka dyan?
Kasi, paano magsasend na picture, iyak ako ng iyak.
Di ibang angulo, ha? Side view. Side view, ano ba inisip niyo? Good luck to you, Ruby.
Salamat po.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.